Welcome to Foodtastic. Today's recipe is delicious plum cake or fruit cake. Let's see how to make. First thing, we have to soak the dry fruits overnight. For this I have taken a glass jar and add 50 grams of brown raisins, 50 grams of black raisins, 10 pieces of chopped apricots, 10 chopped dry figs, 10 pitted dry dates, 50 grams of tutti frutti, 50 grams of cherries, 1/2 teaspoon of minced lemon zest, and 1/2 teaspoon of minced orange zest. Now pour 1½ glass of grape juice, approximately 300 milliliters. Close the jar and shake it well. Keep this fruit mixture soaked overnight. On next day, we will prepare the cake batter. For this, take a clean bowl and add 200 grams of butter into it. Beat it for 5 minutes by whisk. Let it becomes like cream. Now add 1½ cup of powdered sugar. Beat it with electric blender or with whisk about 5 minutes. Now add 3 eggs one by one. Mix them thoroughly. After adding 1 egg, repeat the step for other 2 eggs. Grease the cake tin with ghee or oil, otherwise you can use parchment paper. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of flour into the pan and dust it. Now take 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 pinches of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of spice mixture powder. Spice mixture powder contains cinnamon, cloves and nutmeg. Sift it thoroughly using the sieve and add it into the egg and butter mixture which we have already prepared. Now fold and mix it using spatula. Do not overmix the batter, otherwise it creates gluten in the batter which make the cake is sticky. Now add 1/4 cup of almond powder. With this add some nuts too. I have added 20 cashews, 20 almonds, 20 pistachio and 10 walnuts. Then add some colors to the cake. For this we can use caramel or brown sugar or date syrup. I have used 7 teaspoons of date syrup to bring the brown color. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now add the soaked fruits into this batter. Mix them softly. You can add remaining grape juice into this and mix. Now transfer this into the cake tin and level them. Preheat the pressure cooker. For pressure cooker, add little amount of sifted sand and place the stand over the sand. Do not use gasket and whistle. Heat it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, place the cake tin in the pressure cooker and close the lid without any gasket and whistle. After 20 minutes, check the cake for its status by piercing with the skewer or toothpick or even with knife. If it is sticky, then keep it about 5 more minutes. Now take it off carefully and keep it cool down for room temperature. Now that the fruit cake is ready to eat, please try this at your home. If you like the recipe, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.